have a look at multiplying integers. Our first example is pretty straightforward, 4 times 6. Of course we know 4 times 6 is 24. But I would also like you to think about what multiplication actually means. Well, multiplication is just basically repeat addition. So 4 times 6 is also saying 4 lots of 6. So if we took 4 lots of 6, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, we also get 24. So I do want you to bear this in mind when we are moving on to multiplying integers with a negative number. So our first example, we're going to look at 3 multiplied by negative 2. Okay. I want you to think about it as repeat addition to start with. 3 lots of negative 2. So if we were going to take negative 2, add negative 2, add negative 2, you would find out that that is negative 6. So our answer here, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So in that example, we had the negative as our second term. The same idea applies when your negative is your first term, because we know we can change our terms around when we are multiplying. So 3 lots of negative 5, add negative 5, add negative 5 is negative 15. So 3 multiplied by negative 5 gives you negative 15. Our last example is again slightly different. We now have both terms being negative. If I just flip back to this example here, if we were to focus on the 5 times 3, you can see that, well, 5 times 3 is 15. But we are wanting to find what the negative of that is. That is where we get our 5 times 3, which is 15, and our negative of that. So if we are wanting to find what the negative of 4 times negative 5, so let's deal with the 4 times negative 5 first. So 4 lots of negative 5, add negative 5, add negative 5, add negative 5, gives us negative 20. So if we have 4 times negative 5 is negative 20, but we are wanting to find what the negative of that is. So the opposite of negative 20 is positive 20. Right, let us flip back from the start. Our first example, we have a positive number times a positive number. Gives us a positive answer. Our second example, we have a positive number times a negative number, which gives us a negative. Third example, we have a negative times positive, giving us a negative answer. And our last example, we had a negative times another negative, and that gave us a positive answer.